I'm Gevorg. I'm the founder of Earlyone. First of all, let me thank all organizers of this great event. Thanks for having me as a speaker. I will be happy to share with you our expertise in our experience working with more than 70 banks, healthcare and governmental organizations in building omni-channel customer experience. And today I will talk with all these processes. And today we all use digital mobile banking solutions. We use online banking. It became already habitual, and we have access to like our finances 24/7, and it's really habitual now. But during pandemic, all this accelerated, and even the banks which haven't implemented such type of channels, they started to use mobile banking technologies. They started to implement online banking, and everybody started to think that everything will be digital after the COVID, but it is not so. And now, based on our experience, like working exact for more than 30 banks, we can see that people still coming to the branches. And we understood that why it is so. First of all, it's a habit. Second, it's a human interaction. They want human interaction. And the most important factor here is the trust. And study shows that 75% of customers want a physical branch to exist to trust the bank. And even young generation, usually, like, there is a perception that young generation will use only digital, but physical banking locations are a top factor in picking a new bank. I want to highlight the new bank, especially for those aged 18 to 34. And we can see here like a diagram or what type of interaction people prefer and in which age. And the dark blue one, it's only the digital channels. The yellow one, it's people who prefer the combination of digital and physical. And also the light blue one, it's a segment of people who prefer in-person interactions. And when we go deeper to understand why they prefer in-person interactions, we can see that the reasons are they feel more comfortable, they concerned about security, they find it easier, and there is no digital alternative to preferred service. And when we go deeper, and from also our experience, but here is like another research that why people visit the branch, it's more about getting a mortgage, opening a saving account, or they want to open a business banking account, or they have disputes, and of course, making a bill payments. And all this data shows that there must be a combination of physical and digital experiences. And this concept is called, there are many companies use this, this is phygital banking. The concept is phygital banking, and it's new trend in a lot of companies. It's important to build parallel processes to provide digital channels for service and at the same time to provide great experience to customers in the branches. And digital experiences are estimated to generate twice as much revenue as traditional single channel operations, 30% more cross-selling, and the third less churn. And the data from J.D. Power and Associates confirms that the most satisfied customers are those who regularly use branches and also digital channels. Here, you can see a few examples of some interesting environments which have been created to provide great service for customers. For example, you can here see the ID Bank, which created very cozy environment for their customers. This bank is in Armenia, and here you can get your coffee, you can work here, and of course get your service. And such type of environments make the process of selling new products easier. And here customers can meet their consultants and get the product which they want. Here also you can see such type of nice environment with our partner company maib in Moldova. And by the way, on the left side, it's our product terminal which we provide. But the environment, it's very nice, and people can feel very comfortable when they get their service. And this is in Moldova, and you can also have this, can see and use all these services. And all this shows that branches are still the place where companies must win their customers' loyalty. They have to change the processes in their branches, improve the environment where they are able to have better experience and increase customer loyalty. And nowadays, we all use digital digital tools. It can be online taxis, it can be online shopping. Everything is one click. It's super easy. And people, they expect such type of experience also in the branches. And when they are coming, they are getting exhausted if something is happening wrong. And now we can see, for example, some reasons why companies are changing their service providers. And the first reason, it's fees, and the second one, it's a poor branch experience. And in poor branch experience, there is a long wait time. Also, the lack of professionalism from bank associates. This is the main reasons why people think that the service is not good enough, and that is a trigger. That's a reason why they are changing their service provider. And how Earlyone can help here? We are providing a unique flow management solution which helps, which is designed to save your customers' time and improve their experience by digitalizing and intelligently managing customer flows. Our smart algorithm, equipped with flexible routing and prioritization logic, ensures that customers are routed to the right employee with minimum time waste. And during all these processes, we are generating a unique data based on which you can monitor all processes in the branches and understand employee performance and analyze the data, historical data, which is collected in the system. And based on this, improve your operations, staff performance, and of course, service quality. And also, we have created Earlyone mobile platform which gives you opportunity to book your place for getting your service. By the way, if you don't have Earlyone mobile app yet, please download it, and you will see the companies who joined our mission to save people's time and who are providing a new way to get physical service without waiting. With our application, customers are booking the place, they are choosing the bank, they are choosing the branch, and they are selecting the service which they want. And by selecting time, they are getting an estimation when they can be served without waiting. And after this, when they are coming and they are getting their service, they are able to give their feedback. And this is really important for organizations to create a channel to collect customers' feedback, to hear their voice and improve the processes to have better experience for their customers. And here we are providing several channels. It can be several touch points. It can be mobile app. It can be QR code survey. It can be tablets. And with just a few clicks, and you can get the customer satisfaction rate. You can organize NPS surveys and many others. And all this is helping you to improve your customer loyalty, of course. And based on the data and combination of all this data, you can identify inefficient processes, inefficient points, and inefficient branches, and make your decisions and build your processes in a way which will serve your customers better. We already have more than 70 organizations which benefit with our solution. Among them are banks, healthcare, telecom, and governmental institutions. And I am proud that with DAAC Digital, our partner in Moldova, we were able to implement, first of all, the first client, with our first client, maib, the flow management solution with Earlyone mobile app in nearly all branches. And it's great that we got such type of chance to provide, to build this environment also in Moldova. Because after that, the companies BCR, Gevorg Credit Bank, Mold Telecom, they joined this process, and they are providing their customers an opportunity not to wait in lines. But all this became reality because DAAC Digital, they trusted us, and they joined our mission to bring this technology to Moldova. Guys, I know that you are participating. Please raise your hands. I want everybody knows you, and in case you will have any questions, please approach them. These great guys, they are really, I hope you raised your hands. And I hope that our collaboration will make easier life of all clients, all customers which visit all these companies. And there is another important thing which we done together. We implemented our solution in migration service in just 4 days after we received the request about such a hard situation, which we all in. And we got a request from DAAC system to implement solution in migration service, and we have done it only in 4 days. Thanks for being such operative, and I'm happy that we are serving also in this such hard situations. Thanks a lot. I hope we have more time. If there can be questions, I will be happy to answer. Thanks a lot. Also, I would like you, if you want to know more about our product, you can scan this QR code, and you will get more information about our company. And we really will be happy with our partners to bring our technology to show you how you can benefit from it, how you can build the channels for your customers to get service without waiting, to build the bridge between your mobile banking technology and between your branches. Thanks a lot. Thanks for this opportunity.